Hello po sa lahat. This is Attorney Mary Ann Hamisola Adriano, and this video is to explain how to compute overtime if you do overtime work during an ordinary working day. So the overtime premium po varies depending on the day kung kailan kayo nag-overtime. Okay, so mas mababa po siya kung ang overtime ay nirender nyo sa ordinary working day. So this is how to compute your overtime pay. So your regular hourly rate plus 25% of your regular hourly rate. So to simplify, we have this example. Example, nag-overtime kayo for that day ng 2 hours. And that day is usually may work ka talaga dyan na may work ka talaga sa araw na yan. But it's just that instead of rendering just 8 hours, nag-overtime ka for 2 hours. So let's just say yung regular daily rate mo is 435 pesos, which is good for 8 hours. All you need to do is to divide it by 8 hours to get your normal rate or regular rate per hour. So in this example, 435 pesos divided by 8 hours will give you 54.38 pesos per hour. That is your regular hourly rate. All right. So to compute your overtime premium, as can be seen here, diba, that is 25% of your regular hourly rate. So all you need to do is to multiply 25% by 54.38. So dito po. Okay, so 25% times 54.38 and then add that to your regular hourly rate na 54.38. So this will give you 67.98 pesos per hour ng overtime mo. So since you worked overtime for 2 hours, so that's 67.98 times 2 hours, that is 135.96. This should be your overtime pay, okay? 135.96. So you add that to your regular hourly rate na 435. So naka-earn ka ng 435 pesos for the first 8 hours of your work plus 135.96 para sa overtime mo na 2 hours. So again, that's 25% of your regular hourly rate kung yung overtime mo was rendered during an ordinary working day. Ano po tong ordinary working day? This is the working day na supposedly may work ka talaga. It's just that you exceeded the regular 8 hours work and may overtime ka. So if you regularly do overtime work during your ordinary working day, check your pay slips and make sure that your employer has given you the right amount of overtime. That's 25% of your regular hourly rate.